guys, today basically we are doing this weird sound effect and Cruz will start it. Ready, set, start. Is that weird or what? That is actually pretty scary. Also, if you don't know what we're doing. Okay, next one. So, what were you saying?
So, hold on. Nope. Okay.
You hear the regular voice, but it's going really fast. Yeah, I can hear you.
So,
I can understand it.
and if you do this,
Start.
remember this is the one we already heard.
Oh, it's that one.
And now he's going to do the final one.
Okay, so.
Here, hold on. It's yeah, that. Here it is. Oh no, we never heard this one.
Sounds like a crap. That
Wait. This is perfect.
Wrong way.
Oh yeah, it's this and then that. Yeah.
I'll play creepy music. Also, let's do Glad You Came. This can sound weird, Tyler.
Yes, it is. So, let's start the first way, the glitchy way.
Glitchy way.
That sounds like a little kid.
More like a chicken.
Yeah, it does.
Is it?
That sounds really weird. That sounds like a tuba phone. Why is it lagging? Yeah, that's it. Why does it sound like Alvin and the Chipmunks?
Sounds terrible.
Yeah, it does. Okay, so that was hearing weird things with Cruz. And actually, okay. So, but